They taste kind of like breakfast, like when your bacon kind of runs over into your pancake syrup. Hi, I'm Darcy Scott, and I am the owner-operator of Whimsical Cake Studio, right next to the Garneau Theatre on 109th Street. We make these bacon caramels. They are amazing. Our bacon caramels are made with real bacon, brown sugar, whipping cream, salt, and glucose, and that's it. And a little bit of vanilla bean paste just to round out the flavor. I went to see my friend Sarah of Gourmet Girl Cookies, and she was making bacon chocolate chip cookies, where she used bacon fat basically instead of butter. And I was like, oh, that's a cool idea. I make caramels all the time. I wonder if I could do that for that. So I tried it, and the first couple tries were not really that great. But I figured it out, and it took a lot of different experiments, or we call it exper baking, and we finally figured out how to get the ratios to work, and they have an international following. We've shipped as far as California with them, and everybody seems to like them. There are the odd people who kind of go, whoa, that's weird, but most people kind of enjoy that breakfasty flavor of bacon and sweets. It tastes kind of like when you're eating your breakfast and you're eating pancakes and bacon, and the bacon kind of rolls over into your syrup and gets all sweet and sugary, but still has a little bit of salt to you. They're well worth every calorie.